We are downsizing from our 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house into a trailer, and along with this decision comes one huge, heartbreaking sacrifice. As some of you know, I have 2 children, a 16-year-old and a 2-year-old. My 16-year-old has a really established life here, and I've made it a really big point not to air his business on my channel because that's not my place. But I've always shared custody of Skyler, and we're leaving on April 15th, and he still has school until the top of June. Skyler's father has been away working out west for most of this year. So while Skyler finishes out this school year, he's going to be staying with his other family members. We're going to fly him out to visit us, and we plan to be back in New Brunswick with him by the summertime. We're going to take this day by day, but where and who he's with has always been his decision. As a 16-year-old, his friends are his main priority right now. And we've had multiple discussions about this, and he's really happy for us to be able to travel. He knows how important that is to me. I'm going to give more details on this in the caption, but this is also going to be the last time that I talk about it, because Skyler's business is his business. We're not selling our main home, and we can hit the undo button on this new lifestyle at any point. So with that being said, we're going to talk about budget and some of the financial implications of making this decision in the next part.